dressed in the morning only to be disappointed to find foundation marks on your white shirt? For a quick fix, grab a hold of yours or your man's shaving cream. Add shaving cream or gel to the stain and work it into the stain with either your fingers or, even better, a cleaning toothbrush. Once you've noticed that most, if not all, of the stain has lifted from your shirt, give it a rinse under cold water. Repeat this process as many times as you have to before air drying, and your stain should be completely gone. Let me know if you give this a try, and be sure to follow along for more cleaning tips.
So first you grab a cloth and you put it in between. And then you grab some alcohol and you pour it. You grab another towel and you rub it. And then you keep rubbing until it keeps fading, and then you just apply more alcohol as needed. And then just let it dry off, and that should do the trick.
If you have stains on your towels, clothing, or your white sheets, here's how to get rid of them with non-toxic ingredients. Simply let them soak in a mixture of vinegar and lemon juice. I let them soak for 2 hours and then do a normal load of laundry. I use a non-toxic laundry detergent and vinegar as fabric softener. Works perfectly.